Hey guys, it's me today, and there is a guy over there trying to get Arceus. I turned on the recording as soon as I found it. There's an Arceus up these stairs of heaven. I don't know, really. But I'm going up here to show you guys the Arceus. Someone already got the Arceus. I'm going to murder him. This guy just jumped off a cliff. Well, guys, this is where Arceus will spawn. And there's a secret, thing that will spawn right here. It's like a little cord thing that'll spawn right here. If you see it, you must get it because it'll cause something to evolve, and you can buy it at the store, but it costs a lot of money. If you want me to show you how I got to there, I will show you. Now, either Salamence or Rayquaza are recommended for this job. So you take Rayquaza, and you use his fly ability to find the portal, which will spawn in 3 other places. Go watch my other video and I'll show you where those other places are. Now if you go through here, and you fly over here. Of course you can do the parkour if you want. I'm not judging. Fudge. I missed. Now I gotta go back and try it all over again. Oh boy. This is just gonna be great. Okay, there's the Bagon. If you can use this guy to try to get the legendaries too, if you want to. Right now, if he hops on my back, okay, so the portal is right here, as you might have been able to see, but there's a. You fly over to here. Ta-da! You're here at where Arceus will spawn. So, I will see you guys next time. And if you don't think I have proof of Arceus spawns here I will show you. He's even a shiny. He will also change color if you buy him plates, which are these handy dandy things. If you buy a Zap plate or a Spooky plate, it will change his coloring and his type. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time.